Got a green to clean and also a sand change at this pool. We're gonna do the green to clean completely first before we change the sand. Day number 1 here. Gonna dump chems in it, vacuum the bottom. Forgot my net, so I'm gonna turn the pump on. They've left the pump off for a while. Hopefully the skimmer basket will get out most of it, but I'll bring a net next time we come and net the rest. Look at that big boy. Woo, that would hurt. Found my net so we can do some skimming. Won't get it perfect today, but found my net, so we'll do some skimming today. Won't make it perfect. We got a ways to go on this pool, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but gonna do some skimming for sure. Day 2, honestly can't believe it's still green. Added 24 gallons of liquid chlorine and still a little green. Added phosphate remover 2 and algicide and still not green, so we're just gonna add more chemicals, brush, and then wait another 2 days and come back. Alright, here we are, day 3. That's right where I want it to be. Really cloudy, so we're gonna add some flock, add some more chlorine, and then we're going to shut the pump off once the flocculant is all mixed in and let everything settle to the bottom so we can vacuum. Alright, here we are a couple days later. Pool is nice and clean, just got a bunch of fine debris at the bottom. All we gotta do is vacuum it up and it will be good to go. Alright, so I removed all the fine debris. As you can see, there's still some algae on the floor. This is because the debris was so thick at the bottom of the floor and I was shocking it, it couldn't reach that algae. So at this point, all I gotta do is brush it and it'll come right up. So I'll do that. This customer signed up for weekly service too, so I'm actually going to leave the leaves in here and we'll be buying the next day or two to clean all of that stuff up. I got a lot to do today, so she said it was okay if I leave that in there, but pretty much done for now. All I gotta do is brush this stuff up and we'll be good to go. Well, that didn't come up like I thought it would. I'll have to come back and follow up, probably do another fine debris removal. It'll be a lot easier than it was this time. But gonna do a full cleaning tomorrow or the day after and then follow up again, and this pool will be looking perfect here in a couple days.